to my channel. Today we're gonna see what we can review and spend our day and have fun, so let's go check it out. Oh, it's a helicopter and it's my favorite color, it's red. So let's bring it over here. So let's see how we do it. So let's see what we have on here. So yeah, Bobby's gonna help me today with my video. So yeah, it says it has like 2 channels of control. I don't know how that is. Oh, you can do that. And it has a controller. And it says you gotta charge it. So yeah, we're gonna charge it. I think the controller is gonna need like batteries. So let's open it up and see how we turn it on and get it started in the flying in the air. So on the back it has like 3 colors. It has green, purple, and red, and I chose red because that's my favorite color. So let's open it up and let's figure out how to get it flying in the air. So here we go. I'm just gonna open it up. Open that up. Take it out. I think I need to push it out. I'm gonna open the other side and push it out from this side. So this is our controller. It's kind of simple. I think this is how you turn. Yeah, you push that button. This is a thing that needs batteries. And here's the charger for the helicopter. So where do we plug it in? I have like 4 wings. I don't know if these are wings. So yeah, let's just take it out. So I have like invisible tape, so I couldn't see the tape. Take off the tape. Now let's take it out. The wings are kind of flappy. Let's see. I think you plug it in like right here at the bottom. Hey, my friend, did you like my helicopter? Yeah, I liked it. It was so cool. And it's both of our favorite colors. Yours is red too, and mine. Yeah. So one thing about the helicopter you need to know is that right here has a USB cable and you need to charge it, and the remote needs batteries. So I already charged this a little bit a couple minutes ago, so I'm just gonna get some batteries and put some batteries in the remote. Just take a battery out, open up the remote. Down real quick. And one more battery. It takes 3 batteries to get it started. Put on the 3rd battery. Close this up. Screw it back on. So I screwed it back on, and now let's get the helicopter in there. So let me turn on the remote, and I'm gonna turn on the helicopter. Alright, so there's like a little switch right here that turns it off and on. You just flick it. Okay, so now it's on. I'm gonna put it on the ground. Okay. See what happens. Oh no! Oh no! I'm really bad at flying airplanes. I'm helicopters. It doesn't fly. Mayday! Oh no, no! Oh, yeah. I really enjoyed this helicopter. It's really cheap. You can buy two. I bought it for $5. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on that little bell, and I'm gonna try to actually try to fly it, learn how to fly it and land it on the ground. So yeah, I'm just gonna try that. Bye. See you guys next time.